What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about XYO, which has taken a little dip over the last 24 hours. As you can see, 5% down, currently trading at 0.005495. Not just over the last 24 hours but over the last few days. As you can see, it's taken quite of a dip, so we're going to be looking at, is it going to keep dropping? Is it going to pump soon? And if so, when is it likely to pump? And also, obviously, we call it's on sale right now because it's dropped in value. So is it time to buy it? Is it time to buy the dip, or should you wait for it to drop even further before investing into it, or should you sell it? We're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. Can it go? How high can it go? And can it 10x from what it's worth at the moment over the next 11 months by the end of the year? And if so, what is the highest figure this crypto can hit by the end of the year? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website, and the market is up just over a percentage in the last 24 hours. However, XYO is down 5%. In the last hour itself, we managed to drop just about a percentage. Over the week, even though it is up 40%, we can see here since about the 4th of January, where it went up 165%. It has been consistently dropping in value over the last few days, which is not looking too good. As you can see, it hit the 1 cent target. Let's have a look on the 4th of January, and right now is worth just about half a cent. So it's gone half. It's literally dropped half in the space of about 6 days, 5-6 days. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can also see the trading volume has gone down by 48% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $3 million, which is a major drop. Again, the only reason why the trading volume has gone down is because XYO has dropped in value, so it doesn't make sense for people to be selling it right now. They rather hold on to it, and it hasn't dropped too much, so people are just holding on to what they've got right now. They're not buying more, they're not selling it, so that's why the trading volume has gone down, and most people are just holding on to the XYO, including myself. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, and we are looking at the daily chart, and we have also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of XYO, which at the moment is 0.004690. meaning it is performing quite well because it is above the average value right now. As you can see, 0.005381, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see? The blue and the orange line are both going in a bearish direction, looking quite negative, meaning drops in value are expected. And guys, what I can say is that I'm also expecting it to drop quite a bit over the next 12 to 14 hours. Again, the drop has also been dropping for the last couple of days, as you can see, and it's not going to stop right now. So again, for those of you asking, should I invest into it right now? I would personally wait for it to drop a little bit more for me to invest into the crypto. But at the moment, guys, over the next 12 to 14 hours, do expect it to drop, but nothing major. It is going to be very minimal, guys. No major drops are expected at the moment. Minimal drops, so just like the last couple of days, it's been minimal, and this is likely to carry on over the next 12 to 14 hours. But again, is not going to be consistently dropping in value. We are going to see green candles in between, as you can clearly see here as well, and red candles, but it just means the red candles are going to overtake the green candles, meaning that the overall outcome is going to be negative. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here? Again, we've got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is flat out going in a straight line, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is again expected over the next 7-8 days. So let's say towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting an overall drop in value again on XYO, guys. But again, Doesn't mean it's going to be a major drop or anything like that. It is going to be very minimal, so don't get me wrong when I say it's going to drop in value. And it also does not mean that for the next 7-8 days it's going to consistently be hitting red days. Of course not. We are going to have green days when it's pumping, red days when it's dropping, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. And the keyword here is slightly, guys. No major drops are again expected, as I keep mentioning in this video. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now this is an interesting one. We got the blue line looking bearish, going in a negative direction, and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what I'm expecting from XYO over the coming weeks. So late February, early March, I'm expecting XYO to be heading upwards, but again, it is going to be a slow process. It's not going to be a staying at the current price range. Hopefully we should be able to hit the 1 cent target by the end of February and early March as well. So yeah, guys, at the moment increases in value, decreases are expected, but again, I'm expecting an overall increase. 1 cent target by early March is what I'm expecting from XYO by early March. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. So as guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone right now, and we should be heading into the green zone. By the second half of the year is where I'm expecting XYO to be heading into the green zone, but at the moment we are stuck in the red zone. Yes, we need to hit the 2 cents target, which we could potentially hit over the next 4 to 6 months, and that's why I'm going to keep it safe and say that in the second half of the year we should be able to hit the 2 cents target and head into the green zone, and hopefully even higher than that by very late this year, Q4 of 2023. I'm expecting us to head into the dark green zone, which is here above the 3 cents target. But again, I will be giving guys regular updates on XYO like you guys have requested for, so make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale and let's go back into the CoinMarketCap website. What I want you guys to do now is comment down below your predictions, your takes on this crypto. How high or how low are you guys expecting XYO to go in 2023, and what is your end of year target for this crypto? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around the cryptocurrency. So let me know and I'll be reacting to your comments in my next XYO update. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.